Installing your RSS drain with a twist is a fairly simple process. Here's a quick list of all the parts that are included that you can reference later. For this installation, we will be installing our drain on a pre-installed RSS tile-ready shower pan. Before beginning your drain install, first make sure your drain is made of the same material as your drain pipe. In our case, both the drain pipe and our RSS drain are made of ABS, so we don't have a problem. However, drains can be ordered from Revolutionary Shower Systems in either ABS or PVC. Your drain and drain pipe need to be the same material. Also, ensure that your drain pipe is clean and ready to have adhesive cement applied to it. Our drain comes with an included adapter for showers that already have a 4-bolt drain installed, so we won't be needing that here. Let's start applying modified thinset. Use a 1/2 or 3/8 of an inch square notch trowel. Your modified thinset should be applied directionally on the cutout section of your shower pan. This means all your trowel lines should be pointed out from the center, which allows your thinset to cure properly. Before installing the bonding flange, make sure your drain pipe is again clean. Now, apply your ABS cement to the outside of the drain pipe and inside of the bonding flange. Then, push it firmly into place. Excess thinset should push out from the holes on the bonding flange. Clean this off. If you are not using a shower pan, then apply modified thinset under the bonding flange. Next, we should install our centering ring. It allows you to slightly adjust your shower's drain location. To install the centering ring, use a trowel with 3/16 of an inch V notches to apply modified thinset in the same directional style as before. Now, install the centering ring. Excess thinset should squeeze out from the holes again. This excess thinset on the outside of the centering ring should be cleaned. Be careful that there is no excess thinset on the inside of the centering ring as well. If any thinset is left inside the centering ring, the drain may not sit flat and the drain's raising and lowering feature may not work properly. Lastly, we should install our waterproof membrane. We'll be using a pre-cut piece of RSS waterproof membrane. You can cut a piece of waterproof membrane yourself if you need, but a pre-cut piece will come with most RSS shower pans. Your waterproof membrane should fit inside the slightly recessed area on your RSS shower pan. Again, using a 3/16 of an inch V-notch trowel, apply modified thinset with all the lines pointing out from the center. This thinset should cover the entire area that your waterproof membrane covers. Use a cleaned flat side of your trowel or clean putty knife to push out extra thinset from underneath the waterproof membrane. Clean off any excess thinset and place in the adjustable shower grate holder. Use the included height adjustment tool to set the height of the shower grate holder for your tile. Out of the box, it will come set to its lowest level. Once your tile is fully installed, you will still be able to raise and lower your drain height. For any other questions or product inquiries, go to Revolutionary Shower Systems website linked down below or with the QR code on screen.